Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. This is Shweta. Welcome to day 4 of German Silver Fest, a class by itself. In today's video, I'm going to take you through 2 beautiful puja kits that we have put together. These kits have been very carefully thought through and curated just for you. These come with everything that you would need to do a perfect puja. And these are very simple and easy to maintain. German silver, as you know, are perfect alternative for silver but comes at a very affordable rate. All German silver products comes with the same maintenance and care as you do for silver. You can use things available at home to clean it up and keep it shiny for a very long time. I will take you through these 2 kits right now. Now let's get started. Presenting Puja Kit number 1 that comes with 9 different products that have been thoughtfully curated for you. Starting with this beautiful Lakshmi idol that comes in marble dust with German silver coating from outside. This looks extremely elegant and has been done with beautiful detailing, making it look extremely elegant and gorgeous. We have paired this along with 2 elephants that comes in baby size and is perfect to be placed as Gajalakshmi. We have then added 2 beautiful German silver elephant Kuber Diya. Again, Kuber Diya considered very auspicious to be lit up and is considered to bring in prosperity and luck. We have then included a beautiful 5-inch Puja Thali plate that comes in plain finish and is perfect to be placed in front of idol to offer any prasad. We have also included beautiful 108 flowers that comes in mini size and in gold finish. We have then included a Tulsi Madam that comes in plain finish with a slightly larger size. Having a Tulsi Madam at home is again considered very auspicious. We have also included a 2-cup kumkum holder with Annapakshi motif in the center. This entire 9-piece set is priced at 3,999. As part of German Silver Fest, we are excited to offer flat 7% discount on our entire product curation of German Silver. You can go ahead and order online at www.wedtree.com. We also have an exclusive display set up at our store located at Thanikachalam Road, T.nagar, Chennai. And not just that, if you are ordering products which are of German silver more than 5,000 rupees, you will get a free gift along with that. We also offer 3-hour delivery to all the residents who are within 10-kilometer radius from our T.nagar Chennai store. And also we're working on instant dispatch for all the German silver products that have been included in this fest. Presenting this beautiful Puja Kit number 2 that comes with everything that you need for a puja. Starting with this beautiful Devi face that comes with stonework, making it look extremely classy and elegant. This comes in German silver finish and is popularly used during Vara Mahalakshmi Puja or also can be set up during regular puja on Fridays. We have then added a beautiful Puja Thali set that comes as a set with multiple things that one would need to offer puja. This comes with a large plate, a beautiful Haldi Kumkum holder, a prasad bowl, a 5-face diya like this, a kalash with a spoon like this, agarbatti stand and a bell. This is perfect to use during puja. Then we have paired it with a 4-cup kumkum holder that comes with Annapakshi motif and elephant base on all 4 sides. This looks extremely elegant and can be used on an ongoing basis. Next, we've added a Tulsi Madam that comes with 4 inches in height, making it perfect to be placed during puja. Then the Kuttuvelakku. No puja is complete without the diya, and hence we've added a pair of Annapakshi Kuttuvelakku, which is very popularly used during puja. This comes with 10.5 inches in height. Finally, we've added a toran. This toran is perfect to be placed during puja ceremony or even entrance of your home. This entire beautiful Puja Kit number 2 is priced at 7,999. I hope you liked watching the 2 different Puja Kits that we have curated for this fest. Let me know your feedback in the comment section and I'll be thrilled to view the same. As part of tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you return gift packs that will get released at 10:45 AM. Thank you for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.